Freelancing in the age of AI. Freelancing in the age of AI indeed presents a plethora of opportunities. Here's how freelancers can benefit from the AI-powered landscape. 1. Global marketplace. The age of AI has facilitated a global marketplace for freelance work. 2. Personal branding. Freelancers can establish themselves as thought leaders in the intersection of AI and their niche area. 3. Learning opportunities. AI is an ever-evolving field. Freelancers can benefit from continuous learning, staying updated with the latest AI trends, tools, and techniques, which can enhance their skills and marketability. This applies to various fields, such as marketing, finance, healthcare, and more. AI-powered tools can assist in ideation, design, and content creation, allowing freelancers to explore new creative dimensions. 4. Customized solutions. Freelancers can develop tailor-made AI solutions for businesses of all sizes. This includes building recommendation systems, chatbots, virtual assistants, and automation workflows that address specific needs. 5. Adapting to change. Freelancers who embrace AI and adapt their skill sets accordingly will be better equipped to navigate the evolving job landscape. Being open to incorporating AI into their work can lead to a sustainable freelance career. Freelancers must keep up with the rapid pace of technological change, ethical considerations related to AI, and potential job displacement in some industries. As with any technological shift, a proactive approach to learning and adaptation is key to thriving in the age of AI freelancing. Thanks for watching.